Imagine smoothly boarding your New York City bus without fumbling for cash or swiping a card multiple times. Doesn't that sound like a dream for navigating the city's vibrant streets? You can tap to pay with OMNY on buses by simply presenting your contactless payment method to the OMNY reader located at the front of the bus, right next to the driver. This quick and efficient system makes your bus ride easier and more modern. The OMNY system, which stands for One Metro New York, is designed to modernize and simplify fare payment across the Metropolitan Transportation Authority network. It uses secure contactless technology that processes your fare almost instantly, linking directly to your bank card or OMNY account. This speed and efficiency are key benefits, ensuring a smoother flow for passengers and reducing boarding times for everyone. To successfully use OMNY, first, have your contactless payment method ready. This could be a contactless credit or debit card, a smartphone or smartwatch with a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay, or an OMNY card purchased and loaded with value. Once the bus arrives, simply tap your chosen payment method squarely on the OMNY reader's screen. You will typically see a green check mark and hear a chime, confirming your fare has been accepted. It is important to wait for the green confirmation screen and chime before moving past the reader. If you see a red X or hear a different sound, try tapping again or use another payment method. Remember, only one tap per person for each ride. If you are paying for multiple riders, you will need to tap a separate payment method for each person, or use an OMNY card loaded with pay-per-ride value and tap multiple times for your group, waiting for the green confirmation after each tap. One of the great advantages of OMNY is its fare capping feature, which automatically gives you the benefits of an unlimited weekly pass once you have paid for a certain number of rides within a 7-day period. You do not need to buy a separate weekly pass. OMNY keeps track for you. This flexibility and convenience ensure you always get the best fare without having to plan ahead. Embracing OMNY for your bus commutes means experiencing a streamlined and stress-free journey every time. It is a powerful tool for navigating the city, designed to simplify your daily travel and connect you effortlessly to everything New York City has to offer.